హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఓకే, ఈరోజు నేను చెప్పే టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి FA3 2023-24 10th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ 1 mark questions. First one, solve the following problems, state the Pythagoras theorem. So in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse side square is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So hypotenuse means what? The side which is opposite to 90 degrees, that is called hypotenuse. Okay, next, find the volume of sphere of radius is 2.1 centimeter. So given sphere radius is 2.1 centimeter, so volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi is 20 by 7 or 2.1 cube. So 2.1 cube is 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. 7 1 ja 7 0.3 ja 3 1 ja 3 0.1 ja. So 4 22 ja 88. 0.1 into 2.1 into 2.1 4.41. So 0.1 into 4.41 is 0.441. So 88 into 0.441 is 38.808 centimeter cube. Next, third one, calculate the length of the tangent from a point 15 centimeter away from the center of a circle of radius is 9 centimeter. So in triangle OPQ, OP is a radius. So at the point P, the angle is how much? 90 degrees. PQ is a tangent. So here they are asking the length of the tangent. So how you can find? By using the Pythagoras theorem. OQ length is 5, OP length is 9. So PQ length how you can find? By using the Pythagoras theorem. So OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. So 15 square is equal to 9 square plus x square. 15 square 225 is equal to 81 plus x square. So plus 81 come to left side minus 225 minus 81 is equal 144 is equal to x square. So here 144 you can write as 12 square. Square root cancel, that is 12. X is equal to 12. The length of the tangent is 12 centimeter. Next, write the formula to find the sum of n terms of the series in AP. So Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So or Sn is equal to n by 2 of a plus l. A is the first term, l is the last term, n is number of terms. Last term is what? The formula last term is nothing but nth term. So L is equal to An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Second Roman, the curved surface area of a cone 4090 centimeter, diameter is 7 centimeter. Find the slant height. So diameter is 70, diameter is nothing but 2 times of radius, radius is 35, slant height is h. So curved surface area of cone is pi r l is equal to 4070, pi 20 by 7 into r 35 into l. 7 1 ja 7 5 ja 2 22 5 ja 110 into l is equal to 4070. L is equal to 4070 by 110. 0 0 cancel, 11 1 ja 11 37 ja. Next, sixth one, check whether minus 150 is the term in the given AP. 11 8 5 comma 2. So A is 11, D is, find the common difference, A2 minus A1. So 8 minus 11, that is equal to minus 3. Let us take the nth term is minus 150. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 150. So 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 plus 11 going to right side order minus. So minus 150 minus 11 minus 161. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 161. Minus 3 is multiple going to right side order dividend. Minus minus cancel, 161 by 3. N is equal to minus 160 plus 161 by 3 plus 1. So my n is equal to 164 by 3. So 164 by 3 cannot cancel. So we can get the decimals when you cancel. So therefore the minus 150 is not a term in the given. Next, third Roman. So the given geometric progression, fourth term is 2 by 3, seventh term is 16 by 81. Find this geometric series. So fourth term nothing but a r cube is equal to 2 by 3. Seventh term nothing but a into r power 6 is equal to 16 by 81. So first equation divided by second equation, a r cube by a r power 6. 2 by 3 is equal to 16 by 81. So here in left side you can use the formula a power m by a power n is equal to 1 by a power n minus n m. So here 1 by a power n minus m. So n is greater than m. So that is 1 by r cube is equal to 27 by 8. So we can write as r cube is equal to 8 by 27. So 8 2 cube, 27 3 cube. So r cube is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. So base are equal, powers are also equal, r is equal to 2 by 3. So the r value you can substitute any equation. Here I can substitute in equation 1. ar cube is equal to 2 by 3. So a into 2 by 3 whole cube is equal to 2 by 3. So a is equal to 8 by 27 is equal to 2 by 3. Wait. A